Is it hot?
No.
No.
Cold.
Hello and welcome to Africa. It's like 35 plus degrees outside and we're actually in Hungary for European Championship first round. It is today qualification day. It's in the morning, I'm doing my run and then it's gonna be our racing. In the evening we're gonna go to the center of the city. There's gonna be a freestyle show and opening ceremony which will be very nice, I guess. First time here in this race site. It is quite tight there, but the first two rounds of Aquabike European Championship Vichy in France and here, they're both very technical tracks and it's gonna be choppy and hard. Probably. Yesterday we had a few testing and then we could test starts. I had a small technical problem and we tried to fix it today before the qualification. So let's hope that works. Otherwise I will go with my backup ski, which is not bad at all. But yeah, I have a fashionable aquabike hat on it because it's hot. It's hot. It's very hot. I'm literally sweating. But yeah, let's see how the weekend goes. We have a lot of girls here. Also the GP1 category is packed. I was thinking of racing with the guys, but then we have a girls category, so I will stick there. Maybe next year, we'll see. Enjoy the video and also subscribe. Wet, but running done. Yeah, now let's see how when we can test my ski. The ski works, which is good. Say something to the fans.
Me näeme freestyle show'd.
In English.
Ei, mina eestlane, ma ainult puhas no English, only Estonia.
That was a freestyle show here in center of Győr. I have to say the city is actually quite nice. So yeah, now we're gonna have dinner with some of the Estonians and tomorrow we have Moto 1. Sum up the qualification for us today one more time. Could have done way better but still P1 and good cap, but yeah, I guess if I wouldn't have messed up the last final 2 laps then maybe 16 or something like that would be a perfect lap time as well for us. But yeah, that's that. Tomorrow is a new day, race day. And yeah, let's eat now. I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Good morning, it's Saturday, race day. Pre-race snack.
What a flying start from Jasmine Praus from the inside. The last red, and Jasmine Praus with an impressive first win here at the European Championships.
P1 first moto victory. P1 seems like a happy news, but I'm not happy about my driving at all. It was ugly, I have to say, because yeah, I got a full arm pump at the final 4 laps, which means my arm was just full of blood. I couldn't pull the throttle, so yeah, I tried to pull with 2 fingers, but I yelled at myself to pull. Yeah, I guess I have it because first of all, I've been not driving the jet ski so much. We've been just testing it, and it hasn't got this kind of, oh, what's the word? Like time with the jet ski. I can't figure out the word that I want to say. Also, it's very hot here. Maybe that's the reason. Need to drink more. I also have my arm protectors, so maybe next time I will put them more loose. I want to do way better in the second moto, but yeah, at the least at the moment, P1. It's raining outside. Benedict, don't crash.
Try to not spin. Ooh.
Dangerous.
Woman. We changed feet.
How was it?
That's good. I break the record. So.
Naski, how will I like do? Naski said you will be shit.
I
think they are better on the water than they are on the game. The game, yes. Sunday, final race day, 2 motos. We are second in the start. I literally just woke up. I don't know why I keep making vlogs in early morning when I'm having a pillow face, but here you go. Gonna have breakfast, prepare for the moto. I want to try something different, but I will tell you about this later. Also, I have to stop doing this because I do it a lot.
Engines on. Let's see if Jasmine Ypres can take a good start from the inside position. Yeah, Jasmine is looking really good. She will have no problems with keeping the first position, Jasmine Ypres. And she goes into the left split and already leaving the rest of the ladies behind. Jasmine Ypres, she is just impressive again at the start.
Moto 2 done, P1, it was way better than the first one. We got a very good cap and I felt way better as well. So I'm excited for the final moto. And we are also talking about the possibility to race men's ski GP in Vichy. So yeah, I'm thinking if I have enough power to do that, because the races are usually right behind each other. Yeah, maybe. We'll see in the next vlog about that. But yeah, now it's a bit of rest time and we get ready for the final moto.
We don't really know where we're going, but we still wanna see you wanna find it. Say you're gonna treat.
Also, one different thing that I did for the motos, as I said, I had an arm pump. I taped my arms, so on front and then on the inside. That helped also a bit.
The top favorite of this race is just coming way behind anybody else.
I will give you comments later, but overall win before that, it's packing. How's packing? Yes, yes. Ei jaksa.
Győrszámolyi polgármester asszony. In this category. And let's be here an even bigger applause to the winner of the category from Estonia. This is Jasmin Ipraus. Jasmin!
Valmis või?
Okei.